everyone, this is Deniz Derin from Istanbul, Turkey, reporting you the weekly crypto news. Um, Before we begin, legal disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I did not give you financial advices. If you're planning to invest in cryptocurrencies, then you should do your own due diligence and be very careful because crypto markets are highly volatile and you do not want to lose your hard-earned money. With that being said, without further ado, let me share my screen with you and we'll go over the weekly news together. Okay, so Tesla announced that they have acquired 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin back in January 2021, allocating 7.7% of their cash. Bitwise files with SEC to launch Crypto Innovators ETF. Rumors are going around on Apple to be the next company to buy Bitcoin. China's State Administration for Market Regulation has released a final anti-monopoly regulation against e-commerce and payment giants like Alibaba and Tencent. Chinese GPU miners are bulk buying laptops with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 30 hardware. India is reportedly planning to ban crypto. Tesla announced that they will be accepting Bitcoin for payments. Central Bank of South Korea has published a book on legal issues that circumvent CBDCs. Bill Miller is planning to invest $400 million in Grayscale's Investments GBTC fund. CME Ethereum Furry futures go live. China's digital yuan hardware wallet produced by the Agricultural Bank of China debuts in Xiong'an new area. Binance has dropped its defamation lawsuit against Forbes. Ledger is adding DeFi support to its mobile app, integrating Wallet Connect. Bitcoin market cap surpasses Russian ruble. Consensus has launched an updated version of AirSwap introducing staking options. Rhode Island's Republican House Representatives David Place and Blake Flippy have introduced a regulatory proposal bill, Rhode Island Economic Growth Blockchain Act. U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis has invited Elon Musk to move to Wyoming, asking whether he would consider to move his company to one of the most business-friendly states. Matic rebrands to Polygon. Ethereum sees a new all-time high, topping above $1,830. Idea Collab Ventures has filed with SEC to launch a $100 million crypto fund. Curve Finance will be moving to Equilibrium Polkadot Parachain. OKEx integrates crypto payments. Virtual land on Axie Infinity is sold for 888 Ethereum. United Nations UN alleges North Korea with funding nuclear weapon with crypto seized through hacks. According to a U.S. Department of Justice press release, 36-year-old telecom company employee Stefan this man's surname is hilarious. I'm not making fun of it. It's actually cool because see, like it's a DeFi or DeFi gem, however you pronounce it. Stefan Di Fiore is alleged for aiding in transferring one SIM to another lawbreaker. So lots of SIM swaps are going on nowadays. Be careful who you are sharing your phone number with. TVL in DeFi sees a new all-time high, topping above $40 billion. CME Ethereum futures volume saw 30 million on its first day. Crypto market cap surpasses Google's. Steve Twitter CFO hinted that employees might get paid with BTC. I would like to get paid with BTC. Jack Dorsey donates $1 million to Coin Center. Blue Ridge Bank in Charlottesville is letting their customers buy BTC using their ATMs. Deutsche Telekom has started staking in DeFi. An unknown entity in Russia has imported 20,000 Bitcoin mining machines to Siberia. A good place to mine. The first digital bank guarantee on a blockchain has been executed in Australia. Why I said it's a good place to mine, because Siberia is cold. That is why. And the mining rig rigs need cooling. Oh, have we gone? Okay, no. U.S. Secretary of the Treasury Janet Yellen said, "I see the promise of these new technologies." She's referring to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, but I also see the reality. Cryptocurrencies have been used to launder profits of online drug traffickers. They have been a tool to finance terrorism. Well, Miss Yellen, please tell me how the fiat currency dollar, the cash, is being used. Tell me by volume what kind of money is used the most to launder money for illicit activities. Can you answer that? Crypto money farms equipped with the newest NVIDIA RTX 30 graphic cards are being spotted. Amazon is preparing for digital currency project in Mexico. NYSE listed America's first bank and world's largest custodian bank, BNY Mellon, with $41 trillion assets, will be offering crypto custody services. Let that sink in. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi said that they are considering crypto for payments but not for their balance sheet. Alabama man Joseph Chase Oaks is being charged over the SimSwap hack that stole $150K in cryptocurrencies. Let me just check whether you can hear me or not. Okay, you can hear me. PayPal's crypto products will be available in the UK in the coming months. MasterCard has announced its support for crypto on their network. Lightning Network node counts sees new all-time high. TVL, total value locked, is now above $42 million. Binance traffic sees new all-time high, and they go under maintenance. Thailand's Minister of Finance Arkham Termpitaya Paisit said cryptocurrencies have enormous risks. Risk awareness will help those investors in avoiding excessive speculation on those assets. Well, I don't think he's wrong. Enormous risk, no, but it has volatility. AC Milan debuts their ACM fan token. Radix, Chainlink, Alway, Messari, and other blockchain cryptocurrency companies have launched the GoodFi Crypto Alliance, focusing on education and research for DeFi. Grayscale might offer YFI, because we know this because they filed with SEC, I guess, SEC. The top 4 universities of Canada has submitted CBDC proposals to the Bank of Canada. Those universities include University of Toronto, York University, McGill University, and Calgary. The US state of Iowa has introduced a bill that will utilize smart contracts and record keeping. Robinhood, Melvin Capital, and Citadel executives will be testifying before the US House Financial Services Committee. Dogecoin's lead maintainer Ross Nicol has once more started to code after a 2-year break as price surged. Bitcoin market cap briefly surges over $900 billion, 100 billion short of 1 trillion. T-Mobile is being sued by Calvin Chang, who lost $450K in BTC for the alleged failure of protecting customers from SIM swappers. The National Bank of the Kyrgyz Republic is planning to introduce cryptocurrency exchange licenses. 1inch is airdropping to Uniswap and Mooniswap users. BitPay prepaid cards can now be connected to Apple Pay. The amount of ETH staked for Ethereum 2.0 sees new all-time high, topping above $5.5 billion US. Deutsche Bank to offer crypto custody. A subsidiary company of Morgan Stanley, Counterpoint Global, is reportedly considering an investment in Bitcoin. And for today's news, Bitcoin sees a new all-time high, topping above 49,700 US dollars. And something interesting, blockchain investment firm Blockchains LLC's CEO Jeffrey Burns announced that the company is planning to build a smart city in Nevada desert. Okay, that was all. Let me close these tabs and we'll check the prices, how things went in the past week. So Bitcoin is up 24.8% this week, currently being at 49,037 US dollars. And AMP token is the highest gainer in the top 100 list with a 164.4% weekly profit, and Ampliford is the highest loser in the top 100 list with a 35.2% weekly loss. That was all for today. I guess I forgot about the legal disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Crypto markets are highly volatile. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money. Be very careful. And this was all for this week's news. I'll see you tomorrow on the daily news stream. If you like the channel, if you like the content, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe, blah blah blah. Okay, it was a great week. It'll be better weeks are coming, I guess. More adoption is coming, and I think that's all. I'll see you tomorrow, and it is 1.5 church. Yeah, it's almost 2 a.m. here in Istanbul. So staying up all night to give you the weekly and the daily crypto news. I'll see you tomorrow, and let's not forget, one Bitcoin is one Bitcoin, and one Satoshi will always be one Satoshi.